morning, Valdosta. This is myja 101, and today I'm here to talk to you about physical and chemical properties in science. Yes, I know you haven't seen me in a while, but today's show we're having a special guest, my dearest and most closest friend, Ashley Reeves. Come on out here, girl. Give her a clap.
Hey, Marge, I'm glad to be on the show today.
Thank you. We sound so fake, you know. Really. So, come in just a little bit.
Okay.
So tell us a little bit about physical and chemical science. I have the 8th grade science book from Miss Cody's class at Valdosta Middle, and I want you to explain a little bit of this to me because some of my audience have no idea what is this talking about.
Okay. Well, physical properties, there's a couple of them. It's melting point, boiling point, freezing point, evaporation, freezing, melting, all kinds of stuff. And chemical properties like when silver tarnishes, the gold changes colors, or a new substance is created.
You like me, you got real gold and it don't change colors.
Exactly.
Okay. So, where can I find this, where can I find this kind of information about all this different kind of stuff? Because I have a science book, but I just really don't know where to look.
You can always go to the index and pull up physical and chemical changes.
Okay, so that's physical and chemical changes?
Mm-hmm.
So tell me a little bit about this while I'm looking for it.
Okay, well, physical changes, for example, water to ice would be freezing water because the water, which is a liquid, is changing to ice, which is a solid. And solid to a liquid would be melting because the solid is changing back into a liquid. And then liquid into a gas would be evaporation
So
because
you're telling
the
me
liquid is changing.
that if I have a cup of ice sitting out, and I let it dissolve, well, turn to water, then there will be a chemical change or physical.
Physical.
And is that because I can always freeze the ice back or something?
Exactly.
Oh, so here it's telling me that this sheet that has got its hair shaved off is a physical change. Is that true?
True.
So why is that?
Because the sheet is still a sheet. Its fur is for shade.
Give Ashley a hand. After this break, we'll be back with some examples. So we're tuning out on myja 101. If my audience is wondering what I'm doing, my guest is coming back, and I learned a little secret about physical and chemical properties, and how if I warm something up and she touches it, it will be one of those properties. So we're gonna call her in here. And Miss Reeves, you can come out now. Could you touch this for me? Okay. So with everyone, the properties.
Yes.
And why is that?
Because it's heated. It's a physical property because the spoon is now heated.
Oh, so I just created my own little science experiment, basically.
Exactly.
Oh, well, that's enough for right now. We're going on a commercial break, and we'll be back. Good morning, and how are you today? This is myja 101 back again, and our special guest is also back, scientist and also my best friend, Ashley Reeves, and she's going to explain to us the states of matter. So let's give her a round of applause. So how are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great. So what can you tell me about the states of matter?
Well, there's 4 states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, and plasma.
Oh, so can you explain them to me?
Mm-hmm. For example, this globe right here, would be an example of a solid. This water surrounding the continents would be an example of liquid, and the atmosphere is a gas.
Oh, I never thought about it that way. Where did you learn some kind of bright idea like that?
In my book.
Oh, well, I have a couple of things that I want to ask you about. This styrofoam cup, which is a solid, has nothing in it. But since we're on the earth and there's air, we have to breathe oxygen. Are you saying there is something in this cup? I just can't see it?
Yes.
So now, if I pour it out, I'm really pouring out air.
Exactly.
So in this one, I have a beaker and another beaker. So this is a liquid. And also a solid, right?
Exactly.
So, what else can you say about this solid, liquid, and gas?
Well, they all have different masses. If you were to weigh them, all of their weights would be different.
So, why are they different?
Because they're different types of matter. The heaviest would probably most likely be a solid.
Well, let's find out. This one is a solid, so I'm just gonna pour this water out here. I'm gonna put this on. Okay. Now let's find out. 60. An empty cup of gas. I think my scale goes up that far. So, as you can see, she was right. The solid was the largest. Good morning and welcome to another day on myja 101. Today we'll be having our special guest back, Miss Reeves, and she will be explaining solids, liquids, and gases to you guys. So come on out here, give her a clap. So how are you?
Fine, and you?
Oh, I'm doing great. I want to know about the states of matter.
Okay, well, there's solids, liquids, and gases. And just recently I found out it's plastic.
So can you tell me a little bit about each of those?
Okay, solids is stuff like a basketball, a desk at school, stuff like that. Liquid would be soda, water, juice, stuff like that. Gas would be air, oxygen that we're breathing out, and the plastic would be stuff like lightning or plasma cubes.
Also, I have my guests to bring some items. Are you telling me this is a gas?
Whatever you
What's
say
your
it
name,
is.
where you from, and what's your occupation, and what questions do you have for Miss Reeves?
I'm Michaela, and I'm from Valdosta, and I go to college for fashion, and my question is, what are actually gases?
Gases are things that don't have a definite shape nor a definite volume. For example, a gas would be oxygen, which we breathe.
Okay. What's your name, where you from, what's your occupation, and what question do you have for Miss Reeves?
I am a pastor. My name is Keezian Taylor, and I'm from Colorado. How was a solid formed with the liquid and gases?
For example, if you took a cup of water and you put it in the freezer, after time it will become a solid, which is ice.
All right, hallelujah. Thank you. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Security, you're back now. Get out the audience, please. Okay, so next up, hello, what's your name, where you from, and what's your occupation, what question do you have for Miss Reeves?
Yes, my name is myja White.
I watch people laundry. Okay, well, okay, keep going. I'm kind of crazy. Well, we're gonna go to another audience. We'll come back to you later. What's your name, where you from, and what's your occupation, questions do you have for Miss Reeves?
My name is Helen Myja, and what I do for people and help out the elderly. For my question for Miss Reeves is, what is the chemical change?
A chemical change is a change in which a new substance is created.
Oh, okay, so what's your name, where you from, what's your occupation?
I'm from Valdosta. I live up in the project.
Okay, calm down. Okay. Calm down.
My question is, what exactly is a liquid?
A liquid is something that does not have a definite volume. No, it has a definite volume, but it does not have a definite shape. For example, a liquid would be water, like we demonstrated earlier.
Okay, well, security, we have someone wondering over there. Can you take care of that?
Intruder.
And, thank you very much for being my audience today. Let's give you a hand clap. Next time we will be talking about a lot of different things. You really should come back and join me. And I have a special surprise for you guys who came to visit. You all get Hummers. They're outside. So you can drive back to Jamaica with your Hummer. You can get up off the
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please
your
block my way?
Hummer. And thank you for tuning in to myja 101. Good night.